How to buy UFD, the Unicorn Fart Dust Token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure first to take a look on their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Go and check their X account. Now, after that, open the token on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, now go and find the contracts. Now copy the token address that came under Solana network. Now the best choice to buy this token is by going and open your Phantom wallet. Now after that, what you want to do is by clicking on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So after that, you find the token, just click on it and here enter how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Now from here, select the providers. One of these, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here. Now after you click on swap, they will redirect you to the Jupiter provider to buy this token. If you face any problem on buy process, just go back and switch between this on Slipper, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the UFD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.